Is video becoming too intrusive? Wait, did I just say that? Yes, the girl who makes a living with video is asking that question. Is video becoming too intrusive? Think about it. We now have security cameras almost anywhere, in a lot of street corners, not just businesses and cities, but at homes and suburbs now too have their own security systems. Police department in the United States is starting to wear body cams, and everybody and their brother has the ability to make videos. And it seems like everybody's posting everything on social media these days. Now there can be many benefits to all the above, but at times it can feel very intrusive and start getting people to wonder when Big Brother's finally going to take over. Now don't get me wrong, I am a huge George Orwell's 1984 fan, but the point isn't to monitor every single detail. If everything's important, then nothing's important, right? So we all have the ability to share with the world, and we should. But, and this is a big but, you need to pick and choose carefully what you choose to share. That way, what you're sharing, people know has value to you. When done properly, video can be informative, entertaining, and convenient, and sometimes all three at once. So instead of filling our phones and all of our social media with everything and anything, find those special events to share. And I wouldn't worry too much about Big Brother. There's too many of us that have the ability to record and broadcast these days. And since video is the future, I'd love to know what you think. Leave them in the comments below. Give the video a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.